In today's Europe, social divisions are on the rise. Public trust is decreasing and inequality and power abuse persist as pressing challenges. But what if there is a transformative approach that could address these societal issues head-on? Welcome to RJ4All Europe, where restorative justice stands at the forefront of empowering communities and driving change. RJ4All Europe has a mission to address poverty and advance equality, community cohesion and human rights. Setting up its headquarters in Cyprus, RJ4All takes a significant stride towards sparking a global movement to promote principles of power sharing, fairness, equality, dignity and respect through restorative justice practices. Neither Brexit nor any other political or insignificant barriers can prevent us from making restorative justice accessible to all. As the child of the Restorative Justice for All International Institute, founded in London by Dr. Theo Gavrielides, its current director, RJ4All incorporates the Institute's arms of sports, training and publications. Our holistic approach encompasses social justice and poverty relief projects, free skills development and educational programs, youth clubs, intercultural and awareness raising workshops, and high quality internships and volunteering opportunities. Building upon our successful models across Europe, we know that collaboration is key. We welcome like-minded organisations to join us in driving change and creating lasting impact. Together we can empower Europe with restorative justice. Together we can build a more just, inclusive and compassionate society. Transformation starts today.